true, and one pill makes you small, and the one that mother gives you won't do anything at all. Oh, as Alice, when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall, tell them hookah, smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice when she's just small. When the man on the checkboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think you know. When logic and proportion have fallen slowly there, and the white knight is taking backward, and the rat queen of her hand